Worried about the Locationframework DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Locationframework, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Locationframework, the Windows Location Framework. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized geolocation data links from Wi-Fi, GPS, and IP address manifest for the localized Windows shell. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Locationframework DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Locationframework. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Most individual downloads of Locationframework DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Locationframework library guidance. If you've regained access to Locationframework thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.